Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to supercharge your sales process by diving into one of my absolute favorite visual tools inside of REI Reply. We're going to take your pipeline from, just a wall of text and turn it into a dynamic, color-coded command center. Let's get right into it.
So, let me ask you, does your pipeline ever feel like this? Just this massive sea of opportunity cards where every single deal looks exactly the same, and you've got that nagging feeling that a super high-value lead or a deal that's about to go cold might be slipping right through the cracks? It's a huge headache, right? Well, it's a problem we are about to solve for good. The great news is there is a much smarter way to work, and it is built right into the system you're already using every single day. You can forget all that manual tracking or messing around with complicated filters. We're talking about an instant, powerful visual upgrade to your entire workflow. And that superpower is called Smart Tags. Seriously, this feature is an absolute game changer for visually organizing your deals. It focuses your team's attention exactly where it needs to be, right when it needs to be there. So what are they exactly? Well, think of Smart Tags as little automated highlighters for all your deals. They're these colorful little chips that pop up on your opportunity cards, and they're all based on rules that you get to set. The key words here are dynamic and automatic. The whole point is you set the rules one time and REI Reply just takes care of the rest. It's awesome.
And the benefits? They're immediate. Your high-impact deals will literally jump right off the screen, so you know exactly where to put your energy. And think about the time you'll save. No more clicking into every single card. For managers, spotting stale deals or ones without an owner becomes totally effortless. It really just creates this simple visual language that everyone on the team gets immediately.
All right, you ready to build one? I promise you this is super easy. We can get your very first Smart Tag up and running in just 3 simple steps. Let's just dive right in.
Okay, so first, you're just gonna pop over to your pipeline settings. From there, it's as simple as clicking Add Smart Tag, and you get to pick a name and a color. And then comes the fun part, the really powerful stuff, defining the rules that bring your tag to life. And this right here, this is where the real magic happens. See, the rule builder, that's what makes these things smart. You can tell REI Reply precisely what to look for, whether it's the deal's value, how long it's been since you've talked to someone, or pretty much any other custom field you're using.
This table right here is a perfect example of how it works. You could set a rule like, hey, if any deal is worth more than 10 grand, slap a green high value tag on it. Or how about, if we haven't had any activity in 14 days, flag it with a yellow stale deal tag. It's just a simple, if this happens, then do that system that gives you total control.
Okay, so there is one little thing you need to know. You can have up to 10 active smart tags for each pipeline. And honestly, that's actually a good thing. It forces you to really think about what's most important to track visually. It's all about creating focus, not more clutter.
All right, so now you know the how. Let's talk about how to really master this thing and become a Smart Tag Pro. Just a few simple best practices will make this feature even more powerful for you and your team. First up, be super clear. Use colors that just make sense. Red for urgent stuff, that kind of thing. And keep those tag names short and sweet. Nobody wants to read a novel on a tiny little tag. And finally, make it a habit, maybe once a quarter, to just review your rules and make sure they still make sense for your business goals.
Okay, before we finish up, I want to hit a couple of quick questions that I know always come up when people start digging into Smart Tags.
First up, who has the keys to the castle? Can just anyone on your team go in and start creating or messing with these tags?
Pretty simple, really. If a user has permission to edit a pipeline, then they have permission to manage its smart tags. This keeps you in control of who's setting up these important visual cues for the whole team.
And here it is, probably the most important question of all. Is this something I have to manually refresh? Do I have to do anything to see the tags updates? And the answer is a big yes. This is the absolute beauty of the whole thing. The system is always checking the rules in real time, anytime a deal gets updated. So the second a deal's value changes or you log a call, the right tag just appears or disappears instantly. Zero manual work from you. I really love this quote because it just nails it. This isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about creating a powerful, at-a-glance visual layer that saves you time and mental energy. It lets you stop all that tedious scanning and start taking action. So I guess the only question left is, are you ready to transform your pipeline? Go on, jump into your account, enable Smart Tags, create your first rule, and just see for yourself how much clarity it brings to your workday. Thanks so much for tuning in.